How do you start a AI automation agency using GoHighLevel? Well, that's what we're going to walk through. We're going to literally go through step by step on how to start an AI automated agency and what to sell, how to sell it, how to build the website, how to use the tools that GoHighLevel gives you, all the AI tools that you need to do this. And we're going to walk you through each step right now. So let's dive in and get started. So before we get going, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification. If you want to get my other videos and get notified, I usually try to do a video a day. And so it's all about marketing and all about helping your business and helping business owners, large and small, to get going. But not only that, hit that like button, hit that thumbs up if you like my videos. It just gives me encouragement to keep doing these videos every day. Now, let me just tell you a short 15 seconds about me. I'm Jim Paar. I've coached over 400 people start marketing companies around the world. And I've been using HighLevel for a number of years, and so I know a lot about it. And but we're going to walk through on step by step on how to set up an AI automated agency. So what is that? Well, that's the new thing. That's the new craze, not digital marketing. It's not SMMA, social media marketing. It's what people are not talking about. So these services that you can offer to your clients now are things that nobody's talking about, like chatbot AIs that actually talk to the person, and you can set those up as a setup fee and a monthly fee and make a ton of money. And not only that, you can set up different workflows, automated workflows. You can set up AIs so that it is specific to a company, and so they might have a help center or even a tutorial library for their employees, and you can build that with AI. So there's some different softwares out there like Make and different things like that. ChatGPT, of course, but you could integrate some of those other softwares. But let me just say this, GoHighLevel has literally everything you need in there to do exactly what you need to do. So let's go in. We're in the HighLevel dashboard right now in the back end. And in this, we're going to set up an account like we're building an AI automation agency from scratch. And so we're going in, we're in the agency area of HighLevel, and I've got the SaaS level of HighLevel. So basically a SaaS is a software as a service. So you can buy HighLevel and then sell it as a software, and you can configure the software. So you could do that as an automation agency and then set your prices. Like we have different pricing plans that we have for the software, and then it includes all these different features. And this is brand new that I was just in here the other day and they didn't have this in here, but you can add complimentary credits. You can set up trials to your own software, which is really cool. And then you can brand it to look exactly like you want it and not like HighLevel. So HighLevel encourages you to build a SaaS. I mean, you can see right here, you can get $500 a month just selling the software. We got plenty of clients that do that buy our software. So enough with that. We're going to create an account real quick. And we do that just in our agency dashboard, and we go under sub accounts. This is a demo account so that I use just for demoing. And so I've got like SaaS 123 and agency 123. So we're going to set up an account. We're just going to use this agency 123 snapshot because I use it quite a bit. And so we'll go into that account, and then we're going to build the website, and then I'm going to show you the AI tools in HighLevel that you can use for your AI automated agency. And because the snapshot's really easy. You just click on it. Basically, you can download, import a snapshot. I've got my own snapshots here for mortgage and different things like that. I got a SaaS snapshot, but you just basically click on this, and then it'll ask you information. So it'll pull from Google, and actually, if there's a Google account for a Google local listing, it'll pull that information and automatically put it in there. But for time's sake, we'll just go ahead and go to our sub accounts, and we'll go with agency 123 snapshot. So we'll go in here, and of course there's not going to be any numbers or anything because we're just using this as a demo. But the first thing we want to do is we want to build our website. We want to promote our business. So we probably want to have a funnel for our AI company of some services that we're trying to promote. And not only that, we want to have a website that justifies and makes us look like we're a real company. So the first thing we're going to do is under sites here, we could build the funnel or we could build the website. We're going to build the website first, and you can bring in the domains and everything like that so you can have your own custom domain, but you can build as many websites and funnels as you want. There's no limitation to how many you can build with GoHighLevel, where other softwares, they limit. So at a certain point, then they charge you more. And I can attest for that with some of the other softwares, I was paying a lot of money. So we're going to go to websites. We're going to we're just going to go and say new website here. And you can see there's a bunch of websites here, just demo sakes. But we'll go in here and we're going to choose from a template. And there's lots of different templates in here. So we're going to show more, and we're going to look for the closest thing to AI is marketing that we're going to find. So we're going to go in here and we're going to select this one. We could hit the I and it'll show us what the website basically looks like. And it's not bad. It's kind of generic, but that's what I'm going to show you is how to do this and really customize it to what you like and to really make it stand out like an actual AI website here. So we'll go back there, select marketing agency. We're going to select. This is called digital agency. And there's some content down here. It says, kind of gives you number of pages and different things like that. So we'll just hit continue. It's got a nice place for a logo, for a menu. The menu's nice. It's kind of built out for you. So it's going to load right away, and we're going to go in right away and we're going to start modifying this. So right away, we're not a digital agency, we're an AI, and I apologize for my typing, we're an AI automated agency. So in that spot, you can add a logo, no problem. And but we're going to go in here and change this because right now I'm just going to hit that save that change there, and then we can go even in here and under services we can instead of just having services, we can go down here and say AI, because we want them to know that we're an AI company, and we can change that to AI services. So here's the way the website looks generically right now. The couple changes we did right here. And we're going to go in and we're going to modify this to make it really look cool and stand out. So we're clicked in this green area. This is just like ClickFunnels. I used ClickFunnels for years until GoHighLevel came around, and then I switched over to save money, and because it was just as powerful. And so we can go into this green area here, and you just hit the settings button, and you've got everything on the side here. But under there, you've got BG image, so that stands for background, and we got it center, full center parallax, and so it goes all the ways across. And we're going to hit to change this, and we're going to add in, we're going to upload a file, and we could create an image using AI, but I'm going to use a file that I already got from Canva, and I'll show you where I got that. So Canva is just canva.com. You can create presentation, whiteboards, all kinds of different things. But we're going to create a design here, and we just go in and we say create a design, and we're going to do a video 1920 by 1080. And that's a great size for a hero area on your website. And then we want to go to elements on the left here, and we want to select video. And so we're going to type in AI background and see what they got here. Now, Canva has a free version, and they have a version that's like $10 a month. I'm using the free one. So I have the Pro, and it seems like every time I sign up for the Pro, I log in and I cannot find my Canva account. It's not finding it, which is weird. But I'm going to go into videos, and you'll see that there's plenty of this video right here. This video is free. The ones without the crowns are free videos. So we can go in here and use them on our website. They're royalty free. There's no charge for them. There's no penalty or copyright or anything like that. But we can select a cool video and then download this video and pull it into our website. So I saw one that was pretty cool, and let's just see here. There's a bunch of different videos here, but we're just going to grab one real quick here just to show you how it works. We just click on the video, it comes over here, and then we can just expand this out to cover this canvas. That's basically what you want to do. And then we want to go up here in the title and label it AI background or whatever you want. And then from that point, you can just hit share. And then here's the key point in this. I'm sharing for a website. You're going to click download, and you're not going to save it as an MP4. You're going to save it as a GIF right here, a short clip with no sound. And then you're going to download this video just like that. And then you're going to bring that into your website. And so let's go back to GoHighLevel in the website builder and bring that into our website. So we got these files into our website from Canva. This was the one I was talking about. Now just remember this, these files are big files per se. I mean, like 10 megabytes. So you don't want to bring a bunch of these in, but for the hero, it's a great place to bring it in, and it's not going to affect the speed of the website too much at all, because speed is everything. And so we're going to call this AI automated marketing just for the title here, and then we're going to say full service AI automated. Oops, let's get rid of the capitals here. And then you can see how easy it is to use this. I'm not going to build this whole website out. I'm just going to give you the creation of it. And then I'm even going to use the link below, or just if you've got a copy of ChatGPT, go in there and utilize it to create the content for your website. So we'll jump over to ChatGPT and get the content for this part right here. So I'm in ChatGPT, and I'm just going to say write. So I'm just asking it to write 5 sentences, and I'm going to even go a step further, powerful sentences about AI automated agency. So let's just see what it says here. And it's given bullet points. That's not really what I wanted. And I could prompt it and say without bullet points, And but I can say, I can grab any of this. Not only streamlines your process, this is a really good one here. So we're just going to copy this and bring this over into our website here. And we're just going to click on this area and we're going to drop it in there. So I'll just highlight that and drop it in there. And then bring that up. And I'll probably move this down. But you can see offers insights that previously inaccessible, enabling proactive problem solving. It just sounds really, really good. So we're going to hit save. And now remember the website, here's what it was before. This is what it started out with. These are good call to action, schedule a call. You could make this go to a chat bot or into a workflow with AI so that you can qualify that lead. But let's see what our website looks like now. So here it's going to load. So now look at the website. I mean, it just looks AI-ish, if that's a word. I guess you can make up any word for AI, but it looks super, super cool. And just remember this, you can provide just a few services like conversation AI, calendar AI, and maybe like a chat bot. You don't have to do a bunch of services. But just remember this also in portfolio, that's what work you've done. I always said with my clients that were brand new marketing agencies, I typically would partner with them and help them get their first clients in the first 30 days. And typically that was like 5 clients in the first 30 days. But then that was part of the coaching program that I offered. And then once they got those first 5 clients, then they were basically on their own. So then they flew the nest. But let's look at a few different things that we can do with this website now that we have it like this. So let's go back into our website here, and you can modify some of this and make darker colors if you want. So you could change this background to black or whatever you want to do, but just remember this, it's got a great mobile feature. So even on mobile, this website, and that's where most of your traffic's going to come from, looks excellent. So we're going to go into one area here, and I want to show you it has a built-in chat area, and then from that chat area you can build your your conversation chat. So these are the pages that are built in here, but under stats you'll be able to see, you can see where we clicked on the home page and unique page views. So it gives you all your stats, and you can download these for your clients, or you can even give them a login where they can see their website information. So it's really, really cool on that aspect. You can add products in there. Maybe you have a webinar or something like that. And then under settings here, we can add this chat widget in. So we go to chat widget, we hit save, and then we can customize the chat widget up here just by clicking this, and we can add in our own colors. That's a picture of me. You can add in your own text here, text us back, and you want to be kind of creative with the AI, but maybe you want to turn this to a black color. So black is just all zeros. I remember that as a web designer in the days when you had to know your colors. But you can add in whatever you want. You can have an email area here. It's great if you can capture their email and their phone number. That's ideal, but we'll just save this. And being we already turned it on in the website, we can go to the website and refresh it now, and you can see here now we have welcome back, Jim Paar. So it knows me, it knows who I am. So it'll know your customers if they come in, and you can have a conversation AI. Maybe it's a tutorial or something like that. So now it's not finding a lead or, hey, how can we help you? Now it's how can I specifically help you? So, and they may have a question, so you can add, like, create your own support or AI support for your clients and charge for that, charge to build it, charge for a monthly fee on it, because you have to build it and everything. But it opens up, and then you can put in your information here, and then we just put test and add a mobile number in there, and then we can just submit that, and then that's going to go into now if we had a conversation AI, we could wait a minute and then text them back, and because now we have their phone number, now we have their email, so now we can set up an automation, an AI automation, and that's what you want to produce for your clients, because you can charge a lot of money for that every single month. And whether you're a mortgage company, a real estate company, whatever it is, you want to be able to get back. People want immediate gratification when it comes to buying something or using something. So that's what you've got to be. So now we can go on the back end of this, and we can see that conversation. So there it is. It came in, and I put test in there. Call right away. So it's telling me to get a hold of this lead right away. Now we could set it up as a workflow, and then it would just go automatically. It would contact that individual, qualify that lead. Do you need a website? Do you need chatbot? Do you need whatever? And then we qualify that lead. And then once we know it's qualified, then maybe we, at that point, do real communication with them, or we send them an onboarding form automatically that they fill out online. And so you could have no communication with your clients. I don't recommend that, but have little communication. I mean, that's how you scale your business, is with automation. And to use AI with your automation, that even scales it even quicker. And so in HighLevel, there's a lot of different AI tools that you can use here. And let me just show you a few of those. So we can go in and create a workflow, and we could create it from scratch. There's a bunch of templates. They call them recipes. Google My Business. That's if somebody reaches out to your client on a local business listing through Google, like they just use their phone and typed in lawyers or real estate, then we can automatically respond to them and use AI to respond to that. So we could use this and create this workflow here. And it goes through a few different features here to qualify. Yes, no, is this a pending tag? But now there's a new feature in here that we can use with HighLevel, and it's called ChatGPT. Imagine that. So now we can insert a prompt in here and create whatever prompt we want and tell the AI that they're acting as a representative of our AI automated agency, and that they need to try to create a schedule or a booking with that individual, or whatever you want to do. Maybe it's just to qualify that, but you can actually tell ChatGPT, the AI, to act as your employee, and they will go ahead and start that conversation. And the temperature that it's out is just, the higher you set it, the more focused it is. So, but this is just a super cool feature that you can add in there, and we'll just put test prompt so we can drop it in there. But we can tell it to do whatever we want it to do. So the message could come in, and then we tell ChatGPT to go ahead and schedule that lead. So that's just one of the features that GoHighLevel has from an AI standpoint. Let's look at a couple different other ones. The other one here is content AI. So we know that content is king. And I'm going to give you a little secret. If you can create 50 articles with ChatGPT in your niche, whether it's real estate, whether it's mortgage. I just had a call with a guy in California. He's a mortgage broker and a real estate agent. And so I told him he needs to dominate. In real estate and mortgage is tough to dominate. But Google knows if you create 50 articles and publish those to a blog on a daily basis, so for the next 50 days, Google's going to look at you as the expert in that region, or nationally, I don't know, but for sure in that region as the specialist. You want to focus in. So maybe it's West LA or that you're targeting, or West Hollywood, and that's one of your keywords in your content, and you create 50 articles about how to get a jumbo mortgage in West LA, how to purchase a home in West LA, those kind of things. You will become the expert. Now with AI, you can produce this content very, very quickly, but you can either do it in here, which is it's already built in, or you can go out to ChatGPT and you could tell ChatGPT to write you a powerful article on how to get a jumbo mortgage in West Hollywood. And it helps to have that correct. Oh, it's just saying because I didn't capitalize it. But ChatGPT could care less about that. So it gives you a title for that blog article, Navigating the Real Estate Heights, How to Secure a Jumbo Mortgage in West Hollywood. So it goes into an introduction of, and you bring this content in. Now it took us, a matter of 5 seconds to create this article that's got different bullet points. It's highlighted, it's bolded, it's check your financial readiness. It literally goes through everything, and then conclusion, securing a jumbo mortgage in West Hollywood. I'm not a mortgage guy. I'm not a real estate guy. But it just gave me all this information just by prompting. And I've got a list of prompts, so if you're interested in our monthly subscription of prompts, let me know. Leave a comment below that you're interested, and I'll send you a link when we have it built out. We're doing about 2,000 prompts in there that are going to be super, super powerful for your business and your marketing agency. So then in this, you could have a call to action here. Click here to secure or get qualified for a jumbo mortgage in West Hollywood. So it's that simple to do that. And to go back here, we can go into blog here and we can create that content in there. And so we actually go into sites. That's where our content is, but we can go into blogs here. And you can see this is new. They're always doing something with GoHighLevel. So we could have created that content right here in the AI and then upload it directly in from that point. So I might not have AI turned on this particular account, but let's see here. But you could create a blog by just going here, grab this title, and then go into just drop, copy and paste it in there. Alt text is just, would be like West Hollywood jumbo mortgages. But then we can go in here, grab all this content, and then drop that into that blog. Either way, it's super, super fast. And then we just give it a short description. And, it's saying post description. And then drop that content in there, and you're ready to go. So That's all you have to do when you're creating those. Then the other thing is you can create AI images in GoHighLevel here. So this is a particular one that we created, and it was just elegant professional handshake in a corporate setting. So we just give it a prompt, and you're never going to find this image online unless we upload it, because it's unique every single time that you get this image. So these are royalty free. The face is different. It's not going to be somebody's face that they say, oh, that's me. So it's all AI that's driven. And then you can go in, and under your social media, you can even use this as a service for your clients and use AI you can add in a content title. You don't even have to add in everything, but you can just add in a few keywords like AI agency, services, and then you just click generate, and it's going to generate some social media posts that you can use. Discover the power of AI, top-notch agency services, and then you just copy the content. Here's 3 different things here. Discover the power of AI with our agency services, team of experts ready for cutting-edge AI solutions. Harness the potential of artificial intelligence. Stay ahead of the competition. So you can just copy this in there. You just hit copy and bam. And then we could even go in a step further, and we just select the social media account that we want to put this in. So we could just click here on this one or whatever, and then we can add an image in there. So we could use AI to create that image, or we could add our own image in there. Either way. So really, really cool. You can do stories and reels. You can do LinkedIn posts. You can provide all this for your clients, and AI you can actually set up to schedule these and just schedule them out, boom, 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 put up 3 months at a time every single day and charge a monthly fee for that. So the other one I talked about was funnels, creating a funnel that you could start sending to potential clients and really direct them to a particular service, whether it's reputation management using AI, content management, whatever it is. Workflows is going to be a big thing. And so a lot of people are looking for, they might be a one-man business and they don't have a way to answer the phones or answer emails, so they need AI to be able to do this. So why not provide that service? But you could just, again, select a funnel and then go in and, like we did before, and just grab show more and go under marketing. Now it's going to be a little bit different look to these, but you could just we'll just select this one for, here's automation plans. We'll just select this one and see what happens. I always like to fly by the seat of my pants here and see what happens. So we'll load this template in. It just takes a few seconds. Bam, there it is. It's loading. And then we can do the same thing we did here with the last one. We can add, first of all, we can take this background, and I don't really want to be in that area, but we'll take that background there. And remember, we did that before. We put like an AI image in here, so we can add that in there like this. And then, of course, we don't want this text to be black. We want it to be white to stand out. So you just go like that. And then you start creating this, and it's super easy. Just click and do whatever you need to do, and then you've got a great funnel to target. And this is just an automation deal. It's got pricing. You set up your own pricing, and you can set up your SaaS plan in GoHighLevel with the automation so that they get their own account. But this says greater automation. But go in there, put your own content in there. and bam, you send that off. Obviously, you want your branding to be similar to what your website is so that they don't think it's a different company. You want it to look like the same company. And the other thing is you can set up your invoices. So you can set up monthly invoices to automatically take out your clients' monthly fees. So you can set it up as subscriptions or recurring. So you can add your products here with your Stripe integration or whatever integration you want to use. And there's a few of them now with PayPal and Authorize.net. And but there's a lot of different options here. It's got incredible reporting. In regards to reputation, you could set up a automation. So when you send an invoice or when you finish a client, they automatically get a auto-generated request to send a review. And you can do that with your clients. Even if they send out an invoice via QuickBooks, this automatically sends them, hey, can you leave us a review? I see it all the time with a lot of service businesses. So the options with AI are endless. If you want help setting up an AI automated agency, reach out, leave a comment below. I have a link below in my description to get a hold of me. And I've got a done for you where we'll help you get everything set up. And it's just a one-time fee. And then you're up and going and you can have clients within the first 30 days. So if you're interested in that, leave a comment below. It does cost money to do that because it's time. But it just speeds up the process of you getting started in your own business. So there's always startup costs when it comes to a business. But not only that, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification, and leave your comments below of what kind of business you're in. And I'd like to hear back from you and let us know if we can help you. We got tons of videos on high level and a lot on, I believe I have a 6-hour course on YouTube for just high level, and I think the other one is like 2 hours on building an AI agency. So appreciate you guys watching, and we'll see you on the next video.